fires, floods, droughts, storms, earthquakes. Major recent disasters from 2017 to 2020. Part 2. Floods and mudslides. 2017 Colombia mudslide. 400 plus people dead or missing. Hundreds injured. 300 families displaced.
2017 Sierra Leone mudslide. Worst natural disaster in Sierra Leone's history. 1,000 plus people dead or missing. 20,000 people displaced.
2017 South Asia floods across India, Bangladesh and Nepal. 40 million people affected and 1,200 lives lost across India, Bangladesh and Nepal. 1.8 million children out of school. Nepal saw its worst flooding in a decade, with 90,000 homes destroyed. Flooding submerged more than one-third of Bangladesh.
2018 Nigeria flood. 200 people dead. 1,300 plus injured. 1.9 million affected. 560,000 plus people displaced.
2018 Korea flood. 150 people dead or missing in the northern part of Korea. 800 buildings destroyed. 10,000 plus people displaced.
2018 floods in Kerala, India. Worst monsoon flooding in a century. 483 deaths. 1.25 million plus people displaced. 5.6 billion US dollars in property damage costs. 10,000 kilometers of roads destroyed.
2018 European flash floods. 69 people killed in France, Italy, Portugal, Spain and United Kingdom. 200 million euros in damage costs in France alone.
2019 flood in Queensland, Australia. Worst flooding in 50 years. 500,000 cows killed. 3,300 homes damaged. 797 million US dollars in insurance costs.
2019 Midwestern US floods. 14 million people and 405,000 hectares of cropland affected. 6.2 billion US dollars in damage costs. 2019 was the United States' second wettest year on record, with new record river levels in 42 locations.
Etc. How many more lives do we want to lose and disrupt? How much more money do we wish to waste on damages? How much more sorrow and trauma would we like to witness? What are we waiting for?
Destructive signs are evident everywhere. Warning signs are amber and obvious around our world. You know well by now that the meat, fish, eggs, milk, laboratory tests on animals, leather industry, anything to do with hurting animals, domestic or wild, are detrimental to our world. Stopping these brutal, murderous businesses is the fastest way to cool our earth. Simply just make the vegan law and sign it before it's too late for you to decide the right thing, before it's too late to even regret, before more of God's wrath descends upon us with more severe weather, more plague, more terror, more lives lost, more precious resources disappear, more financial disaster. Animal protection law meaning vegan law, no more causing any harm, any pain, any fear to animals, because kindness will beget kindness, and compassion will beget compassion. Mercy will beget mercy from heaven.
Be veg, go green to save the planet. For more urgent details and free downloads, please visit suprememastertv.com/SOS.